Check this out. You go to the dentist, get a new crown or filling, and it looks absolutely perfect. When you bite down, it feels totally normal. But 3 days later, every time you chew or move your jaw sideways, you get this sharp pain on that exact tooth. So you go back. They check your bite with that little marking paper, tell you everything hits evenly, and say the work is perfect. But it still hurts. What's going on? I've been doing this for 30 years, and I can tell you that the restorations that come back in pain are rarely the ones with bad margins or open contacts. They're the ones that look perfect, but get in the way of jaw movement. Now, what does this mean? Here's the key. Teeth don't usually have issues when you just bite down straight. They have issues when you move your jaw. Here's what's actually happening. A lot of us have back molars that tilt inward, towards the tongue. This is called lingually tipped. You probably don't even know your teeth may be tipped. But when you move your jaw side to side, your front teeth are supposed to guide your jaw and protect the back teeth from touching. But when a back tooth is tipped lingually and the restoration gets in the way of your jaw movement, that new restoration acts like a speed bump. Every time you chew or grind your teeth, the opposing tooth hits the tooth with the new restoration on it without you realizing this, and this puts repeated excess forces on that tooth that just got fixed. That's called a lateral interference. Your teeth can take a ton of pressure when you bite straight down, but the ligament supporting that tooth cannot take a sideways lateral force. This results in tooth ligament pain and a bruised tooth, and that's why it hurts to bite. This is often missed and difficult to check for. But to fix it, that interference needs to be found and adjusted. And here's where dentists get stuck. To fix the pain, they have to adjust the bite and shave down that part of the tooth. But since that cusp is right where you can see it when you smile, shortening it can make the tooth look way too short. Now you've traded a pain problem for an aesthetic problem. If you already have this pain, a precise microscopic adjustment can usually give you relief without ruining your smile. But the ideal fix is to catch it before you start the dental work. If you're a patient getting work done or a dentist planning a case, you need to check out how teeth move in excursion first. If you're dealing with a tooth that hurts even though the work looks perfect, hit that subscribe button and let's talk about what your bite is actually doing.